Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I am doing this very, I don't know, kind of looks like a snake. But yeah, we can say it was inspired by a snake. Or the first thought I had about this shadow, the green one, is really that it kind of looks like an Egyptian scarab, one of those bugs. So that's kind of where I got the inspiration, but now in the end I just sort of look like a snake. Nothing wrong with that, I like snakes. So but if you want to see how I did this look, just keep on watching. So today I am, as usual, going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Beauty Express for brows and eyes. So I'm obviously starting with brows. Something like that. And next I'm priming my lids, so I'm using the Thank Me Later eyeshadow primer by Mott, and I'm just using my finger to blend it out. And today I am using the Nubian 2 palette by Juvia's Place. And I'm starting with the color Madagascar, and I will be putting this, well, I will be blending it like above my crease and into my outer corner a bit. And next I am going to go in with the color Kenya, and I will be putting this in my outer corner and in my crease. And next I will be going in with the color Egypt, just this one, and I will be putting this like basically all over my lid. Like so. And next I will be going back in with the color Kenya. Oh, there we go. And just darken the crease and the outer corner again. I think I'm going to go back in with this green color Egypt and just apply a bit with my finger, because right now I feel like the color is sort of fading as it's on there. Like that instant pow. And for my inner corner I'm going in with the color Suede. Like so. And Next, I think I'm going to do my eyeliner, and today I am using the Cake eyeliner from Makeup Store. And next I'm going in with the Big Eyes Liner from Maybelline, and I'm using the black side to put on my upper waterline. And for mascara, I'm using the Icona Milano Emotion Allowed Mascara. Like so. And next I will be doing my face, so I'm thinking I'm doing this off camera since nothing's changed. So just hang on a moment and I will be right back. Like so. And next I am going to finish off my eyes. So I'm going back in with the Nubian 2 palette and the color Kenya. I'm just putting this in my... I don't know if I'll go all the way in or if I'll just do the outer corner. Like so. And I do think I will be going in with Egypt as well. Just put a bit underneath my eye. And I will also freshen up my inner corner with the color Suede. And next I'm going back in with the Big Eyes liner, and I'm taking the white side and putting it in my lower waterline. And I'm also putting the Emotion Allowed mascara on my lower lashes. Like so. And now I am taking the clear eyebrow gel from the Browgal, and I will just be running this through my brows to keep them in place. And next I'm going in with the Infinity palette by Hallberg Cosmetics, and I'm using this for my face. So I'm starting with the color Mafe and Cigar, and I am using these for shading. And next I'm going in with the color Andromeda, and I'm using this as blush, as usual. And for highlight, I think I'm going in with the color Virgio or Virgio. Like so. And for lipstick, I'm going in with the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick, and this is in the color Downtown Beauty. So I'm just gonna fix my hair and I will be right back. So this, you guys, is the finished look. It's a bit dark. It's a bit darker than I had expected. Well, than I had planned originally, but that doesn't really matter. I think it's like a very pretty look. The lipstick really matches the eyes, which is very nice. Yeah. But yeah, if you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, and to leave a comment saying what you thought or what you want to see next time. And I will see you in my next video. Bye! Why do I always do that?